Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I've got something a little special to celebrate hitting 100 subscribers. We've got a Pokemon 25th anniversary celebrations pack. It's basically a collector's pack. Contains 8 celebrations packs, which has 4 cards in each, 3 booster packs, and 2 promo Pikachu cards, as well as the chunky Pikachu that you see here in the middle. Alright, let's open this. So we'll take a quick look. I think I got this for $74 in Australia from Target. It took a while to come, but it's here now. How do I open this? Let's do it. No, I guess I'll just open it from the side. I feel like I'm doing it wrong. Should be an easier way. Nope, side it is. Here we are. Let's open this up. Ooh. Usually these promo cards get bent because of the packaging, so let's check it out. It's actually packaged pretty nicely. You can see a little plastic frame that holds it, and it falls right into your hand. So this is the Pikachu V promo. Looks pretty good. In the back, actually, this promo looks pretty clean. It's rare to have a clean promo. And the second one, I had this when I was a kid. It's the Vmax. It's Pikachu Vmax. Looks good. No whitening. Centering looks, oh, top and bottom's a bit off, but pretty good. And you can see a texture. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera. Maybe if I angle it a bit. Cool. Put you with Pikachu V over there. And here we go, the toy. This is the Chunkachu, as some people call it. This is rubberized texture. Looks pretty cool. It's kind of has a bit of weight to it. And yeah, I kind of like it. 25th anniversary, Pikachu Vmax. We'll fit you over here. And what boosters do we get? We got Chilling Rain, Vivid Voltage, and Darkness Ablaze. That's pretty nice. These two I heard had some pretty good cards. Chilling Rain, I don't hear too many people rave about it, but we'll open it in a bit. Alright, and we've got 8 celebration packs. Here we go. We'll start with these. First celebration pack. Did we get anything good? Let's find out. We've got Cosmoem, Groudon. I don't think I have that. Groudon! Team Magma's Groudon. Holy crap. Wait, how come this one doesn't have the 25th anniversary? Oh. What? Oh, that's, sorry. I'm blind. So it's on the other side. Oh, nice. Right off the bat. And a Mew. I think we've got that one already. Second pack. Let's go. Try and get through this as quickly as I can. Still fairly new to this. We've got Yveltal, Kyogre, Ho-Oh, and Professor's Research. Another one. Let's go. It's only 8 this time, so it should be pretty quick. I don't know. Give us another Groudon, Xerneas, another Ho-Oh, and a Zamazenta V. That's the first one, I think. That's cool. Who played 25 years ago? Let me know if you played in base set as well or not. Or let me know when you started playing. I played in base set until I think the Gym Heroes, and then I played again competitively when Black and White came out, all the way up to Plasma Blast, I think. Cosmog, Xerneas, Dark Gyarados. Holy crap! Man, this was a dream card back then, and a Solgaleo, which I've got a million of. Centering's a bit off, but I feel like the print of these are pretty average, but the set's cool. Oh, whoop. Alright, let's dig right in, I guess. Ho-Oh. Kyogre again. Lugia. And another Professor's Research. Past halfway. Will we get anything? Palkia. Dialga. Rayquaza EX? Mega Rayquaza EX? Nice! This is a reprint and it's a Galio. Right. We're getting decent pulls. Can't complain. At least we're not getting duplicates. Alright, next one. And these packs only come with 4 cards, so it's actually harder than you think to collect the full set, even though the set has, I think, 50 cards. So 25 in celebrations and then 25 reprints. Cosmoem, Reshiram, Imposter Professor Oak. Here we go. That's another one. And a Lunala. I don't know when you would ever use this competitively. Your opponent shuffles his or her hand into a deck, then draws 7 cards. Seems like a win for your opponent, unless you know they have something that can win the game next turn. And the last celebrations pack for this box. Let's see if we get anything good. Alright. Dialga. Cosmoem. God of War EX. Nice. And a Flying Pikachu V. Oh, the texture's so. Yay. Alright. Let's make it quick. We'll open Chilling Rain first. Chilling Rains. Whoops. I'm just gonna go for it because I forgot the card trick. Mareep. Rock Ruff. What? I haven't seen that one before. Swirlix. Lapras. Dealing. Reverse Hollow Bounce Sweet. And a, what the Articuno V? That looks amazing. Articuno's not. Oh, Galarian Articuno. Whoa. Reconstitute. That's a pretty cool move. Cycling through your deck. Is this competitive? Looks pretty competitive. It's a psychic as well. Articuno psychic. Since when? I will take it. Centering looks good. That's pretty cool. I'll take that. Lightning energy. Echoing horn. Seabold. Next. I'm gonna sort these out later. We've got Vivid Voltage. Let's go. I heard some people actually don't open these because the pull rates are so low, and it's worth reselling it, but it's a celebration. You're meant to open them. Alright, we've got Sandile, Pineco, Clefairy is psychic now. Okay. Tynamo, here we go. That's awesome. I remember when Eels was a thing. Milcery, Reverse Hollow Genesect, and it's a rare. That's pretty cool. And a Zarude V. Am I lucky? Are these meant to be rare? Zarude. Why is Zarude? Oh, energy acceleration. That's pretty cool. Energy acceleration is always good, and it's only got one retreat cost. And it's a grass type that's weak. No, it's a weak fire. Fair enough. That's cool. What else do we have? Metal energy, memory capsule, electric. Yeah. And a Girafarig. And finally, we've got Darkness Ablaze. Will we get Charizard? I don't know. Probably not. Alright, we've got Mr. Mime. Torchic. Whoops. I'm bad at this. Aaron. Rookedy. Wishy Washy. Oh, that's pretty cute. Reverse Hollow Vanillite. And the rare is Beartic. Grass energy. Powerful energy. That's cool. Oh, that reminds me of the old fighting energy. Soul Rock and a Steenie. Quickly recap. So this is what we've got from one Pikachu Vmax Celebrations box. We got an Articuno V. That's pretty cool. Zarude V. Flying Pikachu V. Pikachu Vmax, these are the promos. Pikachu V, another promo. Zamazenta V, if you've played Sword and Shield. Imposter Professor Oak. Groudon, this one I didn't have before, but this is cool. Gardevoir EX. Mega Rayquaza EX. And the Dark Gyarados. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for helping me hit 100 subscribers. I'll be back with more tech reviews shortly. Till then, I'll catch you next time. With the giveaway, if you'd like to be in the draw for all the online TCG codes from today, please subscribe and follow the link in the description box below. Make sure you enter your YouTube username in the draw. I will do a quick raffle before Christmas and message the winner with the codes. Thanks again, good luck, and happy holidays.